Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Rahman, and today I don't have any big news, pump news, or any cryptocurrency review for you guys. Today I want to talk about how I lost all of my money. Yeah, all of my money in meme coins, which I earned from meme coins also, and what mistakes I make. So what happened with me is I was not new in cryptocurrency. I was just new in meme coin stuff. I was trading with altcoins like Cardano, VeChain, and stuff like that on Binance. But I was not into meme coins like the new cap coins where you throw some dollars and it's like a gamble, coin gambling, So this was literally something so new for me. I started seeing screenshots of people mentioning and showing, hey, I got this much from meme coins, hey, I got this much from coin gambling, and I was like, okay, why I'm waiting for a year to earn some $1,000 or $2,000 profit from my altcoins? Why not checking this out? So I just put some money out of my altcoins which I was holding in safe in my wallets, and threw it in Trust Wallet to gamble in meme coins and try my luck there. Even though I did not knew so much about meme coins, but still I knew a little bit. I was in cryptocurrency, so I was checking the news all the time, what's going on and what's not. So I threw some money, you can say that time it was $400, you can say. I threw in my Trust Wallet, and I was like, okay, let's check it out. In start, everything was going fine. I was so happy because at that time I remember I bought Eclipse, I guess, and NFT Art and NFT Art Finance and some other coins like that. And the next day they started pumping. And for example, if I threw 50, it turned into 200. The other one turned in, if my 70 turned into 170, and I was like, it's that easy. And I took my profits in parts. I was getting a lot, but at the same time I was losing some also in new coins, for example in drug pools. That's why it's called a gamble. You never know what's gonna happen. If it goes up, you're gonna make a lot, and if it's a rug pull, if it's a honey bot, a lot of stuff. I really was new in it, and did not knew a lot of things like I do now. What I was actually doing is I was jumping on the coins which are like just 1 day old or just some hours old, and that was really risky. I did not realize that until I lost all my money. So okay, till 2 to 3 days, 2 weeks, my winning streak was going great. I was losing. For example, if I was throwing on 4 coins, my $50 in one I was losing, and the other ones were making money for me. I saw some really great days. My 50 turned into 200 and sometimes 250, and my portfolio, or you can say my Trust Wallet, touched 800, 900. But at the same time it really goes down too, because I was not cashing out any money. I was just throwing in other coins, my profit. And if I was losing, I was not unhappy about it, because when my 850, I remember, turned into 750, I was like, I did not care about it, because that all was earned from meme coins, and if loss happened, I knew that that's how it works. I joined some groups. People were discussing, whales were discussing what they're gonna buy, what they're gonna do with which coin, and I made some really great gains there. But the mistake I made is I did not cash out my money. I did not took out my initial investment, like my $400 which I invested in start. I was just so careless, and I was overconfident in meme coins. And it was not really meme coins, it was like low cap coins which got no holders, like for example 200, 800 holders, and it's starting pumping slowly. That time we have to join that coin and try our luck, and we really saw some really great days. I remember checking the charts all the time, and it's going up, down. And the mistake was I did not took out my money, and it's not a mistake. I think I still don't regret it, because that was the money I was okay to lose. But I really wish I should have took out. It's so addictive. Once you get 100 profit, you're ready to risk your $500 in it, and that's where you lose. So everything was going great, and suddenly a losing streak started. I started losing in meme coins. I started losing in so-called gems. It's a gem, go get it. I threw 100, lost all of it. Like in groups, you know, they were good people, they were discussing, they were even joining themselves, losing themselves, sometimes gaining. So I got a call, okay, go grab this one. I grabbed it, like overconfidently. I threw 150 in it. It was a rug pull, did not check it out, and all the money is gone. So slowly my portfolio turned into my whole money turned into 500, and then I was a little bit scared. I was like, okay, throw less, like throw $25, $30, and try that. So still somehow I was losing. Some coins I was holding and did not took out my profits. That was also big mistake. In start I was taking out profit, but when I become a YOLO, I was like, okay, it's gonna go more up, keep it in. And I started losing because I remember I was holding some coins, they were doing great, and my dumb mind did not just took out money in all-time high, and when the graph went down, I lost money there also. But most importantly, I was losing in new coins. In new coins, I was losing all of it. Yes, I made a lot of profits with Shiba. That's another story. Here I am talking about especially new coins, where a lot of people like me jump in thinking I'm gonna be millionaire soon, because there are a lot of examples. There are a lot of people screenshots talking about how they earned $100,000 with just $1,000 in meme coins and new coins. So, but believe me, it's super duper risky. It's just like gambling with some calculations, and not even calculations. It's super risky. So I started losing. Slowly it turned into 450, then 350. I remember on 350 I was so desperate to earn money, and that's how you feel in gambling. When you're losing, you want to do it more. When you are winning, you want to do it more. And when on 350 I was losing my mind, I really wanted to reach that 900 again, 800 again, $800, and I threw a lot of money in new coins. They dropped, rug pulled, or things like that. And at the end, I'm gonna share with you guys a screenshot. I did not took much screenshots of my Trust Wallet, but the last one you can see at the end of the video. So finally I was losing, and I remember I took $100 out, but not more than $100. And at the end, after gambling, after then Bitcoin crashed, everything went down, losing each and everything in meme coins and new low cap coins. Yes, I'm holding some meme coins still in some other places, like not only on Trust Wallet. I have some more wallets. I'm not gambling right now like I was doing. Everything happened for a reason. But if you are willing to do anything like that, do it with the money which you can afford to lose. I was okay with losing that $400 I threw in start, but I could have done better. I could have taken out the seed amount with some profits and gamble with the extra profits, but no regret at the end of the day. I'm still holding some really great coins, made some really great profits with some other coins, some altcoins, even some with some meme coins. As I told you guys, Shiba Inu. I was not holding in Trust Wallet, that was some other case. I will share that some other day. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. It's really not a cryptocurrency update or anything like that, but it was related with that, so I thought I should share with you guys so you can learn something from me maybe, or just listen to it as a story if you heard it till now. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.